Good morning, everybody. This is Cash from Rick Case Hyundai here. I got a brand new color for the 25 Venue Limited, and this one is called Mirage Green. Interesting color combination on the vehicle, but I think it works for this car. It's a little fun car and a fun color. That's kind of what the outside looks like. Limited wheels on the car for you. Nice vehicle overall. Inside, we'll get to it. Not many changes on the 25. Largely a carryover year for the interior of the vehicle. This will be what the inside looks like here for you. A little contrast on your AC vents and everything. Got your display, which is the same setup as the previous model year. And then your seat. This will be the stitching on the seat for you. Overall, nice vehicle. You're in that mid-20 price point on this car. Heated seats, all your safety options. As always, if you have any questions, give me a ring, 603-858-4511. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.